In this video, learn how to create and schedule Instagram carousel posts on Planoly's web dashboard. Before beginning, please note, carousel posts are not eligible for auto post at this time, as it's an Instagram limitation. However, you can still schedule and manually post carousels. Schedule carousels on both Planoly's web dashboard and mobile app. And you can manually post through our mobile app via push notifications. To create a carousel post, bulk upload content and save as a carousel. You have now created a carousel post. You can also create a carousel post by merging content in your Planoly grid. Please note, once you merge content, this action cannot be undone. To do this, first click on the white circle at the top of each piece of content. And now click on Merge. Your posts have now been merged into one carousel post. To schedule your carousel post, first click on it. From here, add in your caption. Choose your hashtags in the Hashtag Manager feature. And select a date and time. Again, please note that carousel posts are not eligible for auto post at this time, as it's an Instagram limitation. But you can manually post through our mobile app via push notifications. When finished, click on Save. Great job! You have now scheduled your carousel post. The blue S here indicates that this post is set to be manually posted via Planoly's push notifications through our mobile app. There you have it! You now know how to create and schedule carousel posts on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.